Hello, everyone. My name is Emily.
My name is Sean, and this is the six big losses.
Okay, so the goal of OEE is to eliminate and reduce these six big losses. The six big losses are equipment failure, setup adjustments, small stops, reduced speed, startup rejects, and production rejects. They're encompassed by the three OEE factors: availability, performance, and quality.
Availability takes into account availability loss, which includes any events that stop planned production for an extended length of time. Performance takes into account performance loss, which accounts for anything that causes manufacturing processes to run less than maximum possible speed. Quality takes into account quality loss, which is manufactured parts that don't meet quality standards.
So the first big six is equipment failure, and this is when any significant time is lost due to machine failure. So some common examples are tooling failure or machine breakdowns.
Setup and adjustments are when machines are scheduled to be working but are not due to a changeover, tooling adjustment, warm up time, or planned maintenance. Through setup and adjustments or planned stops, though they are planned stops, they still contribute to availability loss. And the most common example of adjustments and setup is changeover time.
The next is small stops, which are also known as idling or minor stops. And it's when machinery is stopped for only a small period of time and it can be fixed by the operator. Some common examples are material jams or obstructed product flow.
Reduced speed happens when equipment runs slower than ideal cycle time. This is also known as slow cycles, and it contributes to performance loss. It's important to note that this process is still running, but not at its most efficient pace. Some common examples include reduced speed. For reduced speed, include worn out or dirty equipment, poor lubrication, inadequate materials, or poor environmental conditions.
So we also have startup rejects, and this is known as reduced yield, and it accounts for all defective parts that are produced from startup until a stable work time. And this includes both scrapped parts as well as parts that can go back and be reworked. Some reasons for startup rejects are suboptimal changeovers. So when a person comes to their new station, they're not quite ready, or any equipment warm up time to where it gets acclimated to the process.
Production rejects, also known as process defects, are defective parts produced during stable production. This includes both scrap parts and parts that can be reworked, and this contributes to quality loss. Common examples for production rejects include suboptimal changeovers, incorrect settings when a part is run, or equipment that needs warm-up cycles.
And finally, we have the real life implementation and demonstration. So on the left, we can see an OEE analysis for a specific time period, and it has about 85% um, performance. And you can see on the left that it goes over the time for each item that is contributing to the greatest loss, and then also the trend in these graphs on the right that show how they contributed over time. And then the right image shows the OE analysis for multiple weeks. So we have week 20, which is at 68%, week 21, which is at 70%, and then week 22, which is at 80%. And it shows how figuring out these six big losses and improving them can change the efficiency over time. So those are the six big losses. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.